to my channel. My name is Giftegwuenu. If this is your first time here, you're very much welcome. I got a couple of requests asking me to shoot a workspace tour. On my videos that I made recently, I made a tour of my apartment since I recently moved over to the Netherlands, so I decided, like, why not? I currently have, as you can see, this setup. It's still like up and coming, but I decided to make this video because I currently like what it feels like, and I feel like I am definitely okay with what it looks like right now, so why not make this video? Before we go into the main video, I would like to ask you to like this video, subscribe to my channel. This is the kind of video you would like to see more often. Please let me know. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. I definitely love having conversations with my viewers, so definitely leave a comment for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like there. Yeah, anyway, let's get right into the main video. So I'll start with showing you an overview of what I currently have on my decks, and yeah, it's pretty much simple right now, nothing much going on. Yeah, ignore the cords. I really like how I have this space to work. Right now everybody's working from home, and you understand that if you're not working from a productive place, it can be a detriment to your daily work and productivity. So this is really nice that I have this space at home to work from. I absolutely love greenery, so this is like my first plant and I definitely love it. I'm going to be adding more to the family very soon. This plant is called the Calicia medallion. So I'd like to show you some things that I have on my decks and walk you through some of the reasons why I like it. The first one is the Logitech MX keys. This is a wireless keyboard that is both compatible with a Mac and a Windows machine. I really love it because of the way the keys are shaped. It perfectly fits my fingertips. I also love the fact that it has a number key separately and it's very accessible as well. Every time I try to type on it, the keyboard lights up, and that is just something that I like to see. Alongside that, I have a magic trackpad from Apple. This is also very nice to use. I like how they are both perfectly aligned and makes it accessible for me to use when I'm working. I also use the Samsung LED monitor. This is a 27-inch monitor. I really like it because it's bezel-less and it's very nice to use. I also have on top of that a Logitech HD Stream webcam. This is the C922 Pro webcam. I use it for my video calls, conference calls as well, and sometimes use it for shooting my YouTube videos. The monitor is very nice. It also has a feature that helps you reduce blue lights. It helps you reduce the amount of blue light that gets into your eyes. So it has the blue light blocking feature as well, so it's very nice. Alongside, I have this lamp. This lamp came with my apartment, so it's a nice addition to what I have on my decks. I also use a MacBook Pro. This is the 16-inch MacBook. It's definitely an upgrade from what I was using before. I used to use the 13-inch. Currently, this is a work laptop, so I also have the MacBook 2015. I got the stand from work as well. I really like using the stand with it because it's a game changer from when I was just using the computer alone. This helps me maintain eye levels from the monitor all the way to the MacBook, so I really like using it. Definitely an upgrade. I still use the MacBook 2015 as a personal laptop. I also have an external microphone that I use for recording my videos, podcasts, and it's very nice. It's the Shure Beta mic. It has great quality. That's what I'm using right now. This phone slash Apple Watch stand was gifted to me as a Christmas gift by my friend. Thank you so much, Idima. I really like using it. It's so perfect for my workspace. This is the chair that I got from IKEA. I love this chair so much. At first it looked uncomfortable, like the way it's shaped, but that's not really what it feels like. It's very, very comfortable and also quite affordable compared to the other chairs that I saw. Happy I chose this chair because I absolutely love it. I know I've said absolutely 1,000 times in this video, but this is what the entire workspace looks like. I really like it. It's very comfortable to work from. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.